Hi class. This week, May 4th through 8th, we are going to be exploring in our School from Home folder. You are going to go to week 7, Freedom of Thought, Expression, and Religion. Outside you have some steps, the same steps that we usually follow, but let's go inside the folder and see the work for this week. You are going to start with a journal. You're going to be looking at this artwork by the street artist named Kambo. There's another video, how-to, that talks about this artist, and we have an exciting opportunity to communicate with the artist at his home in Paris, France. So you are going to look at this image, and you are going to say what you see. I provided 2 stems here. I really want you to go deeper, to say as much as you can. What do you see? What do you also notice? What do you think? What do you also believe is going on? And what do you wonder? Then you're going to identify what human right is being shown in this image. Following that, you'll return to your folder. You are going to watch a YouTube video that explains Article 18, the right of freedom of religion, expression, and belief. You may watch this video in English, Arabic, Spanish, or French. It's all the same video. You will choose which one you want to access it. After you finish watching the video, you have 3 questions to consider. Following that, you will watch another short video which talks about 4 different ways that we, people, can help each other to have these freedoms. How do we help protect each other's rights? So you're going to look at the 4 videos, the 4 suggestions made in the video, and you're going to choose one that you do or that you would like to do in the future. And then you're going to think about, how does this support the idea of cosmopolitanism? Remember that word from the beginning of the year? Remember that a cosmopolitan is a citizen of the world, and that cosmopolitans believe that each person has the right to their own beliefs, their own cultures, their own language, and that they are interested in knowing more about other people. Okay, when you finish with that, you will go back and look at what other ways people are speaking up for the freedom of expression, thought, and religion. So you're going to look at the artist Kambo's work here, where he talks about, let's see what he says. Did you know that Muslims finish their prayers Amen like Christians and Jews? So you're going to think about, what do you see and notice? And how is this artwork illustrating the idea that is expressed in Article 18? Remember to think about the questions you might have to ask Kambo. Then you are going to look at this quote from the article, Kambo Street Artist. He says, "I'm not trying to defend religion. I am trying to defend the people who suffer from stereotypes about their religion." How does street art help Kambo share his message? So you're going to look at the article, you're going to look at this video. How does putting art on the street get this message out? And then you're going to read the Newsella article, Wearing Religious Clothing. There is a link here if you'd like to hear that article read aloud. You are going to take the quiz and write your central idea paragraph. This article is about Jewish people in France who feel unsafe when they wear a kippah, which is a hat. This small hat shows others that they are Jewish, and some people were being attacked for showing their religious faith. So you're going to read about that. Okay, thank you so much. Please watch the video about Combo to learn more about the street artist and how we can ask him our questions. Thank you.